A creator spends hours every single week rewatching underperforming videos with no framework and ends the session with no answers. The stats that explain every dead video, CTR, average, percent views, reach, are sitting in YouTube Studio the whole time. Nobody taught him how to read the three together. So a creator on Reddit said he spends hours every week staring at his dead videos trying to figure out why. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel, you know that feeling. So I built a free tool that reads your stats and tells you exactly which part broke. Here's how it works. So your video Post-Mortem Analyzer, you take all your stats from your video, you put it in here into this kit, and it outputs all your stats and everything you need to know about the videos. I'm gonna give you two of these for free. You can click on the link in the description. You pick up this tool, but this is going to allow you to create this onto your computer. You don't need a hosting, you don't need an IP, a domain or anything like that. You run this on Claude Code, and this outputs this dashboard right onto your computer. So you put in all your stats in here. You put your faceless history, channel engineering, 2,100 subs, normal video reach, 4,000 views, and you put all your stats in here. You can get all your stats from the advanced tab inside of your analytics in your YouTube Studio. So right here it says channel diagnosis. 3 of 6 videos died at the thumbnail, CTR at 1.9%. Let me show you how to build this, and so you can set this up for yourself on your computer. First thing you want to do is grab your Claude prompt, and again, you can put this into ChatGPT, you can put this into anything else, but just don't put it into Claude Chat. You want to use Claude Code. The reason why I like that is because you can create a folder inside of there, and you can just constantly organize everything you're working on in that particular. If you put a folder on your computer that's strictly just for video analyzing, you can put a video in there that's just for your YouTube faceless channel that you're creating. Put everything in a folder, and then anytime you interact with Claude Code, it reads the data from that specific project that you're working on. So you want to grab the prompt, and we'll grab the prompt. And then what you want to do is you put this prompt right into Claude Code, right into the chat box right there. You hit submit, and it takes 2 or 3 minutes. Once it's done, then it'll output the dashboard for you on your computer, and then you can start running your analytics on your videos. First thing you want to do when you get your dashboard set up is you want to set up your API keys, and just type in Claude API. You can do Open API. Just find your API key, put it in here. That way when you hit generate the diagnosis, it uses your API key and it outputs the information for you. But you can see right here, it tells you 3 out of 6 videos died at thumbnail. Click-through rate 1.9%, 2.1%, 2.8% means fewer than 3 in 100 people who saw those videos clicked. So the retention never gets a chance to matter. And so it tells you that you're number one. So in this example, the lighthouse, nobody could build. This says your click-through rate is 1.9%, average viewed 39%, and then views 750. And then the next one is going to be 900 views, and it shows you the stats, and it shows you the winner is going to be number 6 right here. This is the bridge that should have fallen. So click-through rate is 7.1, 52%, and 12.4. So next upload plan, it gives you a next upload that you want to maybe give you some ideas of what you want to create for your next video. Plus, you can do the thumbnail here. But the thing is, anytime you create this dashboard and there's things that you don't like or things you want to change, just go right back to Claude Code and say you want to change anything on here. If you want to change, if you want to have the number 1 come up to them, up to the top here, you can change anything you want in here. Just add, ask Claude Code, and it'll change up your prompt. So again, you want to make sure you go in and download this and start using this for yourself. So if this is a job you keep putting off, the exact prompt that builds the video Post-Mortem Analyzer is linked below. It's free. Paste it into your Claude Code, swap it into your own input, and use the tool whenever the problem comes back. Subscribe if you are building a faceless channel. Every day I take another problem blocking one and build the free tool that removes it.